Are you managing a WhatsApp channel and looking for an easy way to engage your audience? Creating a poll is a fantastic way to get feedback or simply start a fun conversation. In today's video, I'll show you exactly how to create a poll in a WhatsApp channel step by step. Polls allow you to ask questions and let your audience vote on options directly within a channel. It's a simple yet powerful tool to gauge opinions, make decisions, or boost engagement. The best part? Polls are built directly into WhatsApp, so you don't need any extra apps or tools. Let's move on to how you can create one. Launch the WhatsApp app on your phone and navigate to your channel. At the bottom right of your channel's input field, tap the paperclip icon. A menu will pop up with various options like photos, files, and polls. Tap on Poll. Type in the question you want to ask your audience. For example, do you wish this community to be public? You can now add multiple answer options. You can add as many options as you like. Before sending, you can adjust these settings. Allow multiple votes. Toggle this on if you want users to select more than one option. Once everything looks good, hit send, and your poll will go live on your WhatsApp channel. Now that your poll is live, you can track the results in real time. Open the poll message in your channel. View the percentage breakdown of votes for each option. And that's it. Now you know how to create a poll in a WhatsApp channel. It's a quick and fun way to connect with your audience and get valuable feedback. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Have you tried creating a poll on WhatsApp? Let me know in the comments below how it worked for you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.